grams of coffee, it will be logged that it was used. And then a smart contract will automatically subtract 250 grams from the original batch, and customer will get a nice QR code on the packaging so that can verify all the claims that the roaster or producer or whoever is making. So this is designed to be industry agnostic, meaning that any individual industry, be it fashion, be it cosmetics, food, chocolate, can use this. And also beauty of having IoT is that we can integrate wide variety of sensors, be it temperature, humidity, or other important sensors that will impact the quality of the product. So to verify that my system would work in real life, I've made the simulations in Python. It was synthetic blockchain, so no real blockchain, no real data no real supply chains were used, but I was using publicly accessible data and also consultation with the industry experts that have some knowledge of how this functions. The system was tested under realistic circumstances, so I programmed failure rates and specific failure points that can occur in real life.